what's up guys, Surge here. So there have been quite a number of leaks regarding the upcoming HTC U12 Plus, but today the device has got the official mark. A testing subdomain on HTC's website has confirmed the already leaked specs and design of the next flagship phone. The listing has been taken down, but we still have the information that have surfaced through the leaked subdomain. The device was listed in 3 color options, that is ceramic black, flame red and perspective blue. As you can see, the backside of the phone has a horizontal dual camera setup and a fingerprint scanner just below them. The side view of the phone suggested that it could be sporting a thicker profile. Now the volume rockers and the power switch are on the right side of the phone. On the front, U12 Plus will continue to feature LCD panel like the predecessor models. The testing website has revealed that the HTC U12 Plus will be arriving with a 6-inch Super LCD display that will support Quad HD Plus resolution of 2240 x 1440 pixels. Additionally, it will be fueled by Qualcomm's top-of-the-line Snapdragon 845 chipset and 6 gigs of RAM. We will have 128 gigs of internal storage and luckily a memory card slot that will support 2 terabytes of micro SD card. The handset receives power from 3500 mAh of battery, and HTC says that it is equipped with boom sound speakers just like the LG G7 ThinQ. Now, previous leaks have revealed that there will be a 64 gigs storage edition of the phone, which will also have 6 gigs of RAM. But the official listing had revealed that the 128GB storage plus 6GB RAM variant of the U12 Plus will be costing 5,888 yuan. Also, the 64 gigs U12 Plus is expected to come with a price tag of 699 euros. So that's it. Tell me your thoughts about this in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.